Hi, it's Mika. Thanks for stopping by today's Management Minute. Today we'll be talking about how to stay engaged in your work. One of the best ways to make sure that you're not feeling isolated or alone in the workplace is to get connected with some of the employee resource groups and affinity groups that are all around your workplace. If you don't know where to find them, ask a friend, ask a colleague, go talk to HR, maybe even ask your manager. See about ways that you can get involved in employee community-based resource groups that can help make sure that your agency is moving forward with all the successful ways that they're looking to enhance the workplace. A few examples of some community-based employee resource groups are places like Young Government Leaders, the Senior Executives Association. Yes, I did say senior executives, but did you know their membership is open at grade 12 and above? You can look at organizations like Blacks in Government, Federally Employed Women, and so many more that exist. In fact, GovLoop has a slew of resources that you can reference to find out where else you might be able to tap into. My number one tip for staying motivated is to think broader than your job description. What I mean by that is look for ways to contribute value to your organization in volunteering for efforts or initiatives that maybe your agency or your division are focused on. You can look to the agency's strategic plan or look for messaging from your director or even your direct supervisor and talk to them about ways that you might be able to lend new ideas and expertise to growing your own set of competencies while still contributing to different ways of working in the workplace. Thanks for watching. If you have ideas or suggestions on how others can stay motivated in the workplace or things that you do to stay motivated, comment here.